Hi everyone, this is Shravan Malik. You're watching Inside DU, and in today's video, I'll be taking up the concept of special cutoffs. So we'll be discussing what special cutoffs are, what is the eligibility criteria, and also do not confuse special cutoffs with special drive. They are two different entities, and we'll be covering special drive in a separate video. So in today's video, we'll be primarily focusing upon the special cutoffs. So make sure you stay glued with me till the end. And now, without any further ado, let's initiate our video for today. So guys, let's try to understand this concept of special cutoff with the help of this notice released by University of Delhi. And here are some guidelines for admission under special cutoff. So let's start surfing. At number 1, we have after the third cutoff, a special cutoff will be declared for the candidates who were eligible but could not or didn't take admission in the early 3 cutoffs for whatsoever reasons. So let's break this point down. So special cutoff will be declared after the third cutoff list, and candidates who were eligible, that means you are qualifying for the cutoffs in the previous list, but you couldn't take admission due to any reasons. So this is where this point is important, because it's telling us about the eligibility criteria, like who all are eligible to apply under the special cutoff. So if in the first cutoff, second cutoff or third cutoff, आप qualify कर रहे थे किसी particular combination या किसी particular college के लिए, and you didn't secure your admission in any college. So this is where special cutoff are giving you an opportunity to grab a seat in any college. Number 2, declaration of cutoff is subject to availability of vacant seats in program plus college. So special cutoff concept, it seems to be very fascinating for the ones who wanted to secure admission in any college, but due to any reasons like payment failure or whatsoever the reasons might be, if you are not able to secure an admission, this is a wonderful opportunity to grab your seat or to secure your seat. But the only drawback is that declaration of special cutoff is subject to availability of vacant seats. Only and only if there are some vacant seats remaining under a specific program or under any college, then only the special cutoffs will be declared. Third, the special cutoff will be the last declared cutoff of the respective program plus college. So in case of the cutoffs of university, like first cutoff, second cutoff, third cutoff, we were not able to predict like what the cutoffs are going to look like. But in case of special cutoff, you already know what will be the cutoff. Let's see how. For example, if a college A, the first cutoff for BSc Honors Mathematics for a specific category was 98%. Let's say किसी college की general category में mathematics honors की cutoff 98% थी, and the college did not declare the second and third cutoff for BSc Honors Mathematics in that category. But later on, the seats got vacant, maybe due to the migration of students to a better college. The special cutoff for BSc Honors Mathematics for that specific category for college A will be 98%. So see, there's a college A, there is a category, let's say general category, usme ek course hai BSc Honors Mathematics, the cutoff for BSc Honors Mathematics is 98%. And let's say in the first cutoff itself, all the seats, they got filled. And there were no cutoffs, no second cutoff, no third cutoff for that particular category for that particular college. Now, due to migration, there are some empty seats remaining. Now the cutoff will be declared, and what will be the cutoff? It will be the last declared cutoff, which is 98. Let's take another example to make it more clear. So let's say a particular college hai, a particular course hai, जिसमें first cutoff was 98%, second cutoff was 97%, and third cutoff mein the seats got filled. And now special drive cutoff agar declare hogi, what is going to be the cutoff? The last declared one, which is 97%. So 97% will be the special cutoff for that particular category, for that particular course. So this is how you already know what the special cutoff is going to look like. Next point, number 4, there will be no moment allowed during the special cutoffs. That means you will not be able to change your course. You will not be able to migrate the option. Candidates who have secured admission in any of the earlier 3 cutoffs will not be allowed to participate in the special cutoffs, which means candidates who have already admitted in any program or college of University of Delhi will not be eligible to participate in the special cutoff. If you have already secured your admission in any program under any college, you are not eligible to apply under the special cutoff. Even if you applied in the first cutoff and you paid your fee, and then in the next cutoff you cancelled your admission, then too you are not eligible to apply under the special cutoff. Number 5, we have candidates can apply to a single program plus college by ensuring they meet the required eligibility condition and declared special cutoff. So if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, or you are qualifying the best of 4 or best of 3 percentage, then you are eligible to apply under a specific program in any college of University of Delhi. Number 6, merely applying to the special cutoff does not guarantees an admission to the candidate. If you are applying for that, the same process will be followed. Then your documents will be verified. They'll be checked by the convener. They'll be verified by the principal, and then you'll have to pay the fee. So the whole process, just like as normal cutoffs, will be followed. And finally, at number 7, we have no grievances will be entertained in case a candidate fails to apply or pay the fee within a given period of time under that particular schedule. So if we go about the normal cutoffs, you're given 3 days to choose your options. But in case of special cutoff, you will just have 2 days to choose a specific program under a particular college for yourself. And in case you fail to choose any particular program, or in case you are not able to pay your fee within the given period of time, no grievances, no excuses will be entertained by the University of Delhi. So guys, these were some of the basic guidelines for admission under the special cutoff. I hope you might have got a more clearer picture on what special cutoff is all about. And remember guys, special cutoff drive is a different concept altogether. We'll be taking that up in a separate video any other day. But for today, that's all from my side. If you still have any other grievances regarding special cutoff, you can surely drop them down in the comment section. And if you like this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up, share it as much as you can, and subscribe to this channel. And in order to resolve your queries regarding DU admissions, make sure you join our Telegram channel. You will find the link in the description box. So yeah, this was all from my side. Once again, this is me, Shagun, signing off for the day. See ya, bye-bye.